right. I'm gonna speed run this. Gives me some practice because I got a couple hackathons. Be doing live workshops. So let's get into it. Got a feature request, an idea to be able to input a cryptocurrency or a certain specific asset and basically generate a report for it based off of different time frames with a bullish bearish sentiment for a just MVP. And it should also get back some strategies. They can be text based for now. But I mean, first process, I usually like to just go to my favorite tool, ChatGPT. Yeah. So uh so different time frames. 6 months and to all time stored and trends, right? And then second parameter, we want to return text-based strategies based on those trends. All right, now while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and make a directory. I'm gonna call this workshop. Okay. So I'm gonna need to do create a virtual environment. Set that up. And we need 3 packages. We need Y Finance. I think it's python.env. And maybe we're also gonna export it through Discord. So you'll get Discord. So that's set up. We'll go ahead and create a file. We'll call it report.py. Yeah, I guess we can go ahead and get into that. So let's see what GPT came up with. Get asset trends, 24 hours, 1 week, 3 months. Fetch trend data. It's pulling from a API. But we didn't tell it the library, so it's not really that good. But it gives a good framework. It wants us to basically fetch the trend data, generate the actual trends, should probably be named differently, and then also generate the text strategies, which should be different. Then it has a main loop. You enter the asset, get the asset, yada yada yada, will tell you your trends, and as I said, your strategies, and that's all it really is. Probably not going to use any of this code, right? But it gives us a good idea of what needs to be done. So let's just start. And we're gonna need to go ahead and do Discord integration first, because that's just easier. Discord. From Discord, we're gonna need a few things: interactive, client, intent, or maybe app commands. Interaction. So also we're gonna get it from .mv import environment. Do load mv from OS import get mv, and we have our Discord token. Get mv Discord token. Discord guild, which is just a channel. I don't think we're gonna use this though. Actually, yeah, we do need to use this environment. Discord guild. Okay, so we have that. Go ahead and save that, and we're gonna go ahead and copy over. We're gonna copy that here. This has mine. Hold on. So we have that. We're gonna go ahead and set up the bot. Just type in this force. And then we have our tree command. And as you go to our app commands without command tree tied to the client. So now we can start this with the client run, and we'll run it with our Discord token. Okay, we need to do client.event async def ready. And once it's ready, we basically want to tell our tree to sync to our channel, which is our guild, and it takes in the discord.object, and the object has an ID to our Discord guild, but we need to make sure that is coming as an integer. Discord guild. Let's just make sure that looks right. Sync guild Discord object ID. That looks about right. So now we can create our command with tree command. No. Tree command. And this is also this is a function. And this function takes in the name of the command. We're going to call it asset discovery. It's going to take in the description. It generates trends and strategies based off a given asset. And we're going to need to put our guild. And the same code. I'm just getting back into the film, so it's going to take a while for me to get comfortable. ID isn't Discord guild. Okay. Once you have that, you sync def, and we're gonna call this command asset discovery. And this is gonna take in the interaction, and we're gonna give it the asset we're gonna pass in. And that's basics. Let's just go ahead and get this returning. Interaction that response that send message, and we just want to send back the asset that the user gave back to us, and this should be enough to get going, honestly. So we'll go ahead and activate our environment source, and we'll go ahead and run the report guild guild. Cannot port load environment. Just because it's in a load environment. Faceload.mv. Fuck. Okay. Line 23. Oh, I didn't save it. 23. Object has no presence. I'm pretty sure that's just a typing. I think it's just supposed to be S. And there we go. So we should be able to access our bot. Asset discovery. We'll put in test. It should just give us back test. If we put in Bitcoin, just give us back Bitcoin. Dope. Okay, so that's good. Okay. What else do we need to do? We need to implement these inner workings here. Okay, let's do the process. So let's do async on process crypto trends, or we'll just process asset trends. We need an asset. I'm gonna try, and first we're gonna validate, and we'll make this function if it is valid. Asset. Do the asset. Do in turn. Valid asset. Otherwise, we're gonna get some asset data. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Now, I wonder if we should do this now or we'll wait. We'll delegate. We'll wait. Fetch asset data. We'll give it the asset. Asset data. Right. Oh, let's just return it. And just in case there's an error, exception, just return that so we can see it. So let's go ahead and I guess we can go ahead and just retest this now. Might as well. It's gonna throw an error though. So actually, yeah, let's just wait then. Let's just go ahead and do the other one. So first one is valid asset, data asset. And we're just gonna try. For now, I'm gonna return true. Exception. And this one we'll just log it for now. So that's that. And then we have async def fetch asset data, asset. Do a try. And this is actually a good point to bring in Y Finance, but I just technically, let's do this trends. 24 hour. So we need a history. And technically, that's all we need. We'll get the other time zones in there later. We want to ship things. Let's do buy and hold for long-term potential. Set stop loss. To manage risk. And we'll do one more. Monitor market developments. And with that, we can then return our strategies and our trends. So I think we just need to connect it now. So we'll get a result, which is the weight of the process asset, and we'll give it the asset, and we'll pass it in this result. Unexpected indent somewhere. Didn't mean to do that. So now we did it again. We should get some data. Oh no. Fetch asset data. Oh, it's because we haven't put anything in here. Okay. So looking at 1 and it's looking at 2. And it's looking at the close price 1. And we'll do the close price 2. We'll do one more. And it's close price at 3. And this should be good enough. You just click up Bitcoin and it's still failing to fetch not strings. So history, I access history and I'm accessing close. This doesn't make sense. Hold on. 3. List indices must be integers or slices. Oh, okay. It just wants us to. I just want to delete left. Yeah. Delete left. Yeah. Delete left. Delete left. Delete left. And this should work. And there we go. Now we got our strategies, got some trends in there. All you got to do really now is connect it to the data, which raw data, which we will do. Uh, did I already stall files? Let's see, 2GG. Habibi. Okay, so we need import async view. And let's also get import Y-Finance. Or is it as, what is it, YF? Yeah, okay. Okay. First things first, let's do this. So, ticker, let's just call it, ticker equals YF, that ticker. And we're gonna give it the asset. And basically we want to return if that ticker, that info, is not none. And that means we can get the data for it, right? I guess we'll start. Wagwan. Come on now. There we go. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, that's a ticker. How about Omnibone? That's just this project. That should not exist. But it does exist for some reason. We're getting the error. Okay. We're not actually validating this one. 33. So. I should delete this. I think this is the entry point, so let's do it here. So, okay. You just need to check, we're already checking if it's valid asset. Get some data. I just don't understand how that's a valid asset. What did I? Well, no point changing what's not broken. So, I guess let's just go to formatting. Then, I guess that's what to do. Yeah. Okay. So, we need to make sure it's the essence of a dictionary. If so, we can do the trend section. We'll make that a new line. Now it's only gonna be 24, but that's okay. Trend weighs this out. Period and trend in the result of our trends. But we need to make sure we get the items. And that we'll handle that part. Strategy. It's kind of similar. We'll do a line. We'll join it. Code section, state assistant. I just need a final section. All right, last one. Investment strategies. And we're gonna make that a new line, and we just want to put in our strategy section. And this looks good. And send that final section, and let's see what we got. Maybe I wasn't expecting it to work, but this was the last command. Okay, this didn't work either. Local variable final section. Let's see. 86. -1. -1. -1. Yeah, this should work. I don't see. I do see. Not with my eyes. My eyes deceive me. Don't even know what the issue is, but I know that shouldn't be used that way. You know? And what happens? Something. Fuck. No error here. No bueno. BTC. USD. There we go. Okay. Strategy sections. It's better than no error. That is no bueno. Strategy. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, that's looking a little bit ugly now. Uh, what's up with that formatting? Did we not do it right? We have our period, our trend. Okay. Our strategy. Okay, our asset discovery. Why is that parentheses being included? Oh, I. That's why. Stupid. Answered the question myself, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else involved. With the stupid comma. Go. Go, 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 go. And there we go. Now, is this pulling real data, you ask? Stocks. We're today's losers. GameStop. Fucking roaring kitty. That's fun. Alright, GME. This should be down. Unless it's up. Yes, bearish. Okay, so you see it's pulling real data. And if you want even more proof, we can just log it. Where is it coming from? This will be 6. And we can just, well, you know the result is coming back, but maybe we just do a print history. This should be a data frame, so that should work out perfectly. It won't spit out the whole shebang, you know? And we're gonna do it again with this time a PL, which we were trying to do earlier. And this is bullish, and you see the data in here for Apple. I don't know if this is adjusted or not. 192 looks adjusted. Let's do one more time for BTC USD. Bullish, and you see the higher prices here. So yeah, here's your feature.